Well, hello and good morning and welcome to this week's episode of We Got a Box and We're Gonna Open It. So this is the SKATEBOARD Woboard. So whenever we do something cool, I want the whole audience and yes, everyone at home to say, whoa.
Whoa.
Let's open this bad boy up.
Whoa.
Whoa. It has orange San Francisco Giants board. All right. Doesn't that look beautiful? Look at that grip tape art.
Whoa.
So there's a screen on the top, grip tape. Looks like down here we got the battery, the motor. These wheels are connected to the motor. These wheels are just wheels. Now an interesting thing about this board, everything is replaceable. So you can replace the wheels, etc. Skate user guide. I'm gonna need to just read this real fast. Yeah, that's good. And here's the remote. This is the charger, stickers, and it comes with its very own skate tool.
Yes.
This product has passed performance and quality assurance tests. Boom, pass.
That sounds like a fun job.
Inspecting boards?
Yeah.
I think that is our job.
Very good point.
Let's turn this bad boy on. Wow. Let's turn this on. Wow. It looks like we have two settings here, low and high. And this board connects up to this incredible app. This is not the first time that I've used this app. And check that out right there, kilometers per hour. Yeah, maybe that's what this is called. The Iron Man skateboard of the future. And it even has the temperature in Celsius. Doesn't that sound like really nice? So while we're downloading the app, I think I'm gonna cover some of the features of this board. This is made of Canadian maple, painted orange, then grip taped, and then this screen is installed right on the top to give you the kilometers per hour, the battery, and how many kilometers you have traveled. This board can travel up to 32 kilometers per hour fast and up to 12.5 kilometers far. So the next time you're traveling in kilometers, know that you can go 12 and a half of them on this board. The wheels are replaceable. Actually, anything you need to replace on this board, you can. Bada boom, bada whoa. It's got a motor right here, and then right here it has an LED light. Yeah, that's right. Boom! I just discovered my very favorite thing about the entire board. This line right here. Just enjoy skating. It doesn't get any better than that. That's how you live your life. Just enjoy skating. Okay, so we're gonna go into this app here. We got the novice tutorial. Please wear protection while riding. Place Woboard on the ground, then turn on skateboard and remote. Pull the rocker as shown for beginner's mode. Your dominant foot should be your front foot and get on the skateboard first. Maintain a stable position and make yourself comfortable. Keep your eyes facing forward when riding. Keep knees bent. Practice slowly until getting familiar with Woboard. Find Woboard. Activation successful. Do you feel like you're Superman right now? I'm just gonna give this a go. So let's see, let's follow the tutorial. Put your dominant foot forward. For me, that's my right foot. Put your left foot on there. Put your eyes forward and then swing the rocker. Start out slowly, not too fast. Then kick it up. Oh yes! Is that a gentle, smooth ride if I've ever seen it? Ever. Let me give Daniel a high five. Oh yeah. I feel like I could do the world's longest manual. Like just go forever. Too bad Carlos isn't here, we could manual off. Bust out this app. Wow, look at this. We're going 10.5 kilometers per hour. The temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. Our trip has been 0.3 kilometers. Estimated range 29.7 kilometers. Oh, it's on beginner mode. Should we go to intermediate mode?
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous.
About that time.
Wow, look. Look, no hands, nothing. See? Cruise control, baby. Okay, so I've put the speed setting onto intermediate mode. That says 20 kilometers per hour. Advanced mode, 32 kilometers per hour. I'm not quite ready for that. The other thing that I thought was really cool, you don't actually need this. You can go to quick control, and then you have it right there on the app. Wow. Now that we're in intermediate mode, we gotta take it outside. Here we go! So I'm cruising intermediate mode. I got 85% battery left, 16.9 kilometers per hour. This is like the most stable, smoothest ride. I've ridden a lot of longboards, and this intermediate mode right here is like, if you're a beginner and you're trying to get to work and you just wanna roll smooth, we got you covered. I kinda wanna try and do the longest manual ever on an electric longboard. Whoa! Board with the app? Incredible.
Oh yeah, you're not even using the remote, huh?
No, straight up in the app.
That's sick.
I feel like I've mastered intermediate mode. Let's go advanced. Advanced mode. Quick control, let's go. Advanced mode. Whoa! Board.
Oh, ha!
Oh! Not terrifying. No. Got this. It's really fast. Well, should we race some cars?
Its turning is really good.
Its turning is good, yeah. It's very stable is the thing that I noticed the most. Like how just stable it is. All right, well, we've tried all the settings, we've cruised it around. It's definitely fast, it definitely goes a long ways, and now we're gonna test it on its trick capability. Keep in mind, this board, not made for tricks, made to get you from point A to point B. So you ready, Gabe Cruz?
Yes, I am.
There we go. Dang it. Gabe cruises first, and skate. First try? Here we go.
I haven't ridden this yet, but you know I am a longboard expert, so
That's true.
don't test me, Kyro.
There are two things that Gabe is very good at, longboards and ripsticks.
I don't know how I know about that combo.
Really? Here, I thought he was setting up for a kick.
No, I was just trying to get a feel for it.
Yeah, get a feel for it. You won't get another chance. Kick turn on the bank. No way he will do this. No way. Watch yourself, Dan. How? It took me 6 months to learn how to do that, and he just does it first try.
It's a natural ability, man.
How can he be beating me? I have the protection goggles on. All
Technically,
right.
I'm just playing defense, not beating you yet. But it'll come.
Should I get gnarly?
Who knew he had it in him?
I was thinking, I'll go off the 3-stair. And then I got up there and I realized, no, they put the drop there. I just drop. Started off easy. Dang it. He's so good. What? It's a whole new level. Nobody has a letter. Are we playing the E on this?
He fully gapped it! That was actually amazing.
I thought the back wheels would clip, and then the whole board just went like this. Wah! Do I have to come off the side like that?
You can go wherever you want, okay? I went off the side for Steve's points, alright?
See? You see that? This is a whole new Gabe Cruz. When he really goes, he goes.
Rock to fakie.
No way. Every part of me thought he was gonna hang up and just die.
I thought so too. I was fully veering off to the right. I don't know how I stayed on that.
Wow. I want to take a letter. Can I just take a letter on that? I actually think this is one of the only things that we could just ride off the Braille drop.
Not me.
I'll give you a rebate.
There was a hubba in the way. I couldn't have done it with the
same hubba was in my way, but I'll give you a rebate. Ah! Even with a rebate. Wow. What would Carlos do?
Handstand.
Yeah, it's true.
Impressive. Just changing the game.
The key to this is really the controller mechanism, how good you are at that.
How did you go off?
Did that ollie? That's your turn, that's your turn. Just had to stomp that
The
like
best
it was...
fakie shove I've ever done in my life on any board.
Too much speed, too much speed. Okay, that's it. Now I'm angry.
I don't know what that was.
I think it was exactly like he did. Yeah. Let it be known that he won't do this on a regular skateboard. Terrifying.
I'll do it next try. It's all right.
I should have done this because I don't know if I can do it on defense, but I can do it on offense. That's for sure. It's terrifying to watch. It's not like he lifted up. The board just went dunk, dunk, and he somehow stayed on. This guy's commitment is unreal.
Unrivaled commitment.
I've done some scary things in my day, but that was by far the scariest thing I've ever done.
Aaron, come hold this for me.
Come hold this? What is this? What are we, teammates?
Here you go. That's happening next try. You're going for the easy version of what I just did.
Called gradients.
How to win skate on an electric board, the easiest way tutorial. I'm not even gonna lie, this is 2 times scarier than doing the 50-50. Nah, it's all right.
I'm pretty impressed that this thing is still moving.
What happened?
Don't kickflip out. I'm giving this my all. I'm gonna make history today. I was gonna kickflip, but then I decided just leave it at the ollie. Go ahead, do your thing. Fine, you wanna play dirty? Let's play dirty.
See, it's because he put the board in an awkward start position for me. I should have started over there, that's why. Don't mess up, because I'm going for the throat after this.
It actually went faster than I expected.
I had nothing to say, that's freaky.
Dang it. Ain't no thing, dream time.
Well done.
Probably one of the better moments I've ever had in my entire life. That.
How'd you do that?
Just like the 3, just go faster.
No way. Cruise control turned on.
It's all about your ability right here.
I was going and I was like, no, I'm not going fast enough. And then all of a sudden, the board is leaving my feet. Wow, exhilarating.
Welcome to Top Flight. After all that, the screen on the top is still working. The motor controls are still working. Everything is fully intact. This is a beast. Even the trucks have some grind marks. All right, well, a huge thanks to Skate for sponsoring this video and sending us this rad board. It was super, super, super fun. This board is lighter than the previous version. It's waterproof and it has 6 different riding speeds. It was a lot of fun, and I think the actual different like beginner mode, intermediate mode, advanced modes in terms of the speed is going to really help people that are new to skateboarding get from point A to point B, cruise this down the street, get to work on this. It's really rad. So yeah, again, a huge thanks to Skate for sponsoring this video. You guys can check out this board, link in the description below, nskate.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are all, each and every one of you are incredible. Click right here to see all the other videos in this playlist. Click right here to get your full resource to learn how to skateboard. It's really important to us that you guys are learning how to skateboard, so get out there, have a blast. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below. Thank you.